this Veet Gold will actually help to whiten the skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I know I've not really been consistent like I should. I've just been so occupied lately, and I'm going through like some things lately, and I thank God that everything is falling into place. And yes, I just came out of camp. Like, this is my service here. I'm serving, and I pray yes, I'm going to have a wonderful service. We're going to have a wonderful and an amazing service. Yeah, thank you for watching me. Thank you for really supporting me. Like, you guys are really amazing. And my new subscribers, like, we are 2,000 subscribers and we are even counting. Like, thank you. I'll not be consistent, but you guys have been showing the love, and our family keeps increasing, our community keeps growing. God bless you so much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best on YouTube. Very quickly, in today's video, like from the thumbnail, from the title, 4 best affordable body oils that you would use to actually glow your skin, that will make you have a very soft skin, that will also lighten up your skin. Yes, in this video I actually added lightening and make you have like a smooth and a glowy skin. I have talked about body oils before. In that video I selected like 6 different body oils from different brands. I picked on Nivea, Vaseline, Almond, Easy Glow. I cannot really remember, but I picked 6 body oils that are really potent and are so effective when it comes to giving you that glowing skin that you want to have. If you haven't seen that video, you can, like I said, the link is going to be up here and also in my description box, where you can go and check out that video. So yes, what are body oils? Body oils are skincare products that are generally recommended as treatment or prevention for an extremely dry skin. Body oils, not just this one I'm talking about, all the body oils that you know and you're familiar with, they are extracted from fruits or vegetable seeds, which helps to give that product that smooth texture that you're seeing. Now, people usually ask, is body oils, are they better than moisturizer? What is the difference between body oils and moisturizers? If I'm using a very good moisturizer, do I still need a body oil? Though the both of them have one thing in common, and which is moisturizing. The both of them moisturize. Body oil moisturize. Moisturizers helps to moisturize. But one thing that makes body oil special is that body oil goes extra mile when it comes to moisturizing. They do not just stop there. They actually penetrate deeply, and they actually help to like lock up everything. And this now takes me to their importance. Body oils helps to lock up moisture. They also help to prevent your skin from actually damage from the UV rays. They help to prevent sun damages, and they also help to repair the skin. So yes, do you need body oils? Even though you are using a moisturizer, do you still need to incorporate a body oils to your skincare routine? And the answer is yes. Now, how do you use body oils? Number one is, you could use it after having your shower. You could just pour your lotion and top it up, like just pour your body oils. Like, if you do not want to mix all your oils inside your lotion, you could just top it up on your cream and apply it over your body. And you could also mix it, like not all, but you could actually pour it inside your cream, depending on the quantity you want and what you want to achieve. But please do not make the mistake of applying your body oil on your body first, then you now rub your lotion. It is as good as you should not have even applied the lotion on your skin in the first place. The lotion will just melt away because there's nothing locking it up again. So the first one I'm going to be talking about here is Johnson baby oil. Johnson baby oil is not new, like it's all over the place. And I actually have a friend who is actually dark skinned, and she uses the Johnson baby oil without any body lotion on her skin, and our skin is like superb. This Johnson baby oil contains vitamin E, and you know what vitamin E does to the body? Like vitamin E helps is has like a protective barrier that actually helps to protect the skin from any form of damage. If you have a sensitive skin or you suffer from a dry or a severely dry skin, baby oils are just the perfect moisturizers for you. Baby oils actually absorbs the skin better, and it actually helps to glow a dull skin. This oil helps to repair cracked heels. They help to repair a cracked skin. This Johnson baby oil is hypoallergic. It's pH balanced, but I'm not saying you should use it on your face. But you can use it all over on any part of your body apart from your face, and it's also good for massaging. This Johnson baby oil is so good for massaging because it helps to actually relieve stress from the body. It is so going to give you that glowing skin that you also want, and it is also very affordable. So that is that about the Johnson baby oil. The next body lotion here on my list is the pure almond oil. I love almond oil a lot because almond oil on its own actually helps to improve the appearance of the skin. Almond oil also helps to give you that even skin tone. Almond oil, like if you use a product and that product actually bleached your skin, like you're having like a bleached skin, and you use almond oil, it is going to help you to revive your skin. Almond oil is 100% organic. It's natural. It's a natural oil, and it is so rich in vitamins that helps to fight free radicals and sun damages, and it is also affordable too. Almond oil does a lot of things. Like if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I used to actually talk about the Nivea vanilla and almond oil. Because of the almond oil in it, I really enjoyed that body lotion because it has almond oil. Almond oil helps to reduce inflammation on the skin. It actually helps to reduce any appearance of acne that you might be having. Like if you are having like any acne on your skin, if you just apply almond oil on it, trust me, within a short period of time it's going to go. It helps to even reduce any appearance of wrinkles. Not just this almond oil, even the Johnson baby oil helps to reduce wrinkles. If you're having any signs of wrinkles on your skin, you're in your 20s and you're having wrinkles, why are you having wrinkles on your skin? Come on, why? Use almond oil. This almond oil too also helps to keep your skin looking smooth and soft, and it helps to repair a damaged skin from bleaching. Like if your skin has been damaged as a result of bleaching, this almond oil will actually help to repair your skin that has been damaged as a result of bleaching. So now the third body oil here on my list is the Dissaar Vitamin C oil. This particular brand, the Dissaar Vitamin C oil, I've reviewed it before on my channel and I'm going to be reviewing it again. This oil is so affordable. This Dissaar oil is so rich in vitamin C. It helps to lock up moisture, and this Dissaar oil can be used on the body just like that. And you can actually use it on your body, on your skin, not on your face, but in various parts of your body. You can actually apply this Dissaar oil on any part of your body. I personally, at some point, I actually use this Dissaar Vitamin C oil on my skin, and I actually love the result it gave to me. This product, they're not just here in Nigeria. Wherever you are, you can get the product there. That it can be easily accessible to you wherever you are. And like I always do, and like I always say, I always leave links in my description box there for you to check out any products that you want to also get. You can get it through Jumia. I work with Jumia and I also work with Amazon. I'm going to leave links in my description box like I always do, where you can get any of these body oils. You just purchase it and it's going to be delivered to you wherever you are at your doorstep. Okay, the last body oil here on my list is the Veet Tumeric Super whitening oil. I added this body oil here for my fair skin people, my caramel skin people, people that actually want to lighten up, that want to also brighten up and whiten up. It depends on how you use it though. So this particular Veet Gold oil is a natural essential oil. It is very effective, and because it's very effective, I will not advise you to use this body oil directly on your skin. If directly on your skin, the turnout might be too harsh, so do not use these body oils directly on your skin. This Veet Gold Tumeric Super Whitening Body and Face and Body Oil is 1000 ml, so like it is really going to last long for you. This Veet Gold will actually help to whiten the skin, because this Veet Gold helps for dark knuckles, dark inner thighs, dark spots. It actually helps to fade away every form of dark areas that you have on your skin. Like I said, and I'm going to repeat it again, do not use it directly on your skin. You mix it with another carrier oil like vitamin C, or this one is just like an added that is like a bonus for you guys, because the three oils I talked about do not really fade away knuckles, they don't fade away dark spots, they don't fade away dark inner thighs, or actually help to correct the skin. They only help, they don't really fade away any dark parts. These three oils I talked about, Johnson pure almond oil, Dissaar Vitamin C oil, they will not help to lighten or whiten your skin, no, but this last one will actually help to lighten and whiten your skin. If you want to get any of the body oils, I'm going to leave links in my description box where you'll be able to get the body oils from there, either on Jumia or on Amazon, and it's going to be accessible. I don't know about the Veet Gold, if the Veet Gold is going to be available on Amazon, but I'm going to check it, and you can still check it out, that is if you want to actually go in for the Veet Gold. If you found this video really helpful, I hope I've been able to like answer your questions, and I hope I've been able to enlighten you more on body oils and why it is also important that you must have a body oil. Like if you're starting up with skincare and you don't have a body oil, I'm sorry, you're not ready to like level up your skincare game. And if you have any questions for me, please put it down in the comment section. And if you also want me to review any body lotion or any body oil or talk about anything, please put it down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. God bless you guys so much for stopping by. Please like this video, share, and if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to join the family. And for my new subscribers, hi, I'm Chama Akujeze, and here on this channel we share skincare tips, I make product reviews, and I also do DIYs. That we know why I did DIYs, so you guys should watch out for another DIY video that I'm going to do soon. So you're welcome. Thank you for joining this family. Thank you for stopping by to say hi. I love you. God bless you, and until then, and yeah, don't forget to check out my next videos, and do not skip the hearts, okay? Don't skip the heart. It's a way of showing support to your girl. And until then, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.